Hello guys, today we're going to talk a little about the e-bikes with the Bosch Performance Engine series. This is generation 4 and we're going to tune it by a small chip we got from VOLspeed. I will provide links for it as usual, up in the corners and down below. And it came with a very nice instruction and some tie wrap to secure it. We need to start by removing the battery. I already done this on this bike. And then we need to remove the coupling over under the engine, the motor. Under the motor, because there is the wires hiding. It's only secured by one small screw. And all you need to know is to remove this screw, which is a long one like this. And then this cover usually is very hard to get off, but I have already loosened mine, so it should be easy to get off. And here we have it. Then you access all the wires. The manual is very good. It's explaining every step very nicely, so it's not hard to do at all. We're starting by removing these two wires. This is for the sensor on the back here. And this wire goes to the display on top of the bike. This one has two connectors. That is not possible to do it the wrong way around. It only fits one way. No way this will fit, so this way only. And you can also hear a small click. Same with this one, only fits one way. If you try to put it in the wrong way, it will stop. So, one way around, and it says click. And then you have the sensor. Same here, only one way. This will not fit. Turn it around. Fits. There also has a nice rubber seal to seal the water out. And there we have it. Then we need to hide this one. And up here should be a good place. Okay, then I'm happy with the wiring, zip ties, and it's tucked away up here. You can see it down here, and everything looks good. Then we need to put the cover on. And here we go. Everything looking neat. Do not over tighten. Then we need to reinstall the battery cover. Okay, to test the display or to see if you have wired everything correct and everything is working, you just press and hold this minus button for 3 seconds. It doesn't matter what it says on the display. And it will change to 32 kilometers. Then you know it's in the speed mode. And if you press and hold it again, there we go, then it's back to 25. Now it's original mode, which you can use on normal roads. It's not allowed to use the speed mode on public roads. Press and hold, 3 seconds, here we go. And then you can adjust the speed up to 45, that's the maximum. And then down again. To 32, which is the, 39. 32, which was the default. So, now we just need to test it outside.